Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Well, today what we're going to do is we're going to slow down a minute and we're just going to go back and check and make sure you have everything you need in your letter. And I'm going to have you check my letter with me, and you can be the teacher and see if I have everything in my letter. So this is what we're going to have in our letter. We're going to have our greeting, which is our dear so-and-so at the top. We're going to have our opinion. Then remember we have reasons, a solution, and the closing is like sincerely or thank you for listening with your name. So we're going to make sure we have all these parts in our letter. So I'm going to use a little code a minute to make sure I have all these parts in the letter that I wrote. So I'm going to turn it back a second. So remember, this is just a working copy. It's not your good copy. So we're going to recopy it before you give it to that person. So our greeting is dear so-and-so, and I put dear principal. So I'm going to put a G to make sure I've got that one. There's my greeting. The next thing we need to check for is the opinion. It's what you think should happen. So I think our playground equipment is old and dangerous. I feel like new equipment would be safer. So this is my opinion, right? That's what I want to happen. I want new equipment. So I put O there. Here's the reason, or here's my solution, right? My solution is we could ask parents to help us build it. And over here, I've got two more reasons. So here's a reason was because kids would play more and not fight. And here's another reason is because playing hard is good for everyone. Do I have everything, boys and girls? Oh, look at the bottom. I forgot to put my name at the end. So I'm going to write thank you. Whoops. And then I'm going to sign my name. There we go. So boys and girls, this is my closing. Closing is like when you end a letter, like you close the door. So this is what you're going to do today. You're going to make sure that your letter has all these things. So you're going to put G for greeting, O for opinion, R for your reasons, S for your solution, and then C for your closing. So that's your job. And if you're missing any of those parts today, boys and girls, you're going to try and add those parts in to your letter. So this is what a basic thing that all letters have, especially letters when you're writing to someone and asking for something. Okay, boys and girls, really take time to make sure you have all the parts of your letter today. All right, good luck.